I'll guide you through the process of qualifying for a Payoneer Capital Advance without the stress of credit checks, paperwork, or traditional bank applications. If you're ready, click the like button. Let's get started. Payoneer Capital Advance is an invitation-only funding offer extended to select sellers and freelancers based on their consistent payment volume and history through the Payoneer platform. There is no direct application button. Instead, you need to build the financial activity within your Payoneer account that makes you more likely to receive a pre-approved offer. Here's how. Connect your marketplace account so Payoneer can track your sales data. For most marketplaces, you initiate the connection from within your Payoneer dashboard. Log into your Payoneer account. Go to the Activity tab and select Store Manager. Click the Add Store button. Select the marketplace you want to connect to, for example, Amazon, eBay, or Walmart. Follow the on-screen prompts to link your store. This usually involves being redirected to the marketplace's seller portal to permit Payoneer to view your sales data. To qualify, ensure you are receiving at least several months of steady income into your account to demonstrate a reliable business history. Maintaining a high, regular inflow of client payments, keeping your account in good standing, and consistently receiving payments for services or sales through Payoneer are the strongest indicators of eligibility. Once you qualify, you'll see the banner in your account dashboard. If you receive an offer, carefully review the one-time fee structure and repayment terms, as the capital is repaid through an agreed-upon percentage of your future Payoneer receipts. Select the amount you need and click Accept to have the funds instantly deposited into your USD, EUR, or GBP balance. Use this capital to restock inventory or scale your marketing while Payoneer automatically collects the settlement from a portion of your incoming marketplace payouts. If you have any queries or input, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card for a curation of our best video tutorials and check the description below for more. Thanks for watching.